Hi lovies, thank you for clicking on this video. If this is your first time here on my channel, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe. I have a lot more content coming your way. So before we begin, I just want to say that I'm doing yet another unboxing. I found this Groupon for, what's it called? My Little Magic Shop, and I'm really into like astrology and like, you know, new age spirituality, and there was a Groupon for this little place called My Little Magic Shop again, and anyway, I redeemed it and it finally came in the mail. Yeah, okay, I would like show you the front, but it has my address and all this other stuff, and we don't need to let creepy people know where I live, you know? Safety first. Okay, so this is what it is. It's basically a mini moon phase crystal kit, which I'm really into crystals, or I'm trying to get more into crystals. I know you have to charge them by moonlight and all these other things to make sure that they're safe, which I get and I appreciate. So basically, this is, like I said, this is from them. It says, "We love you and we're so excited for you to join your journey. We created the most magical instructions to go along with your kit. And you can find them by visiting mylittlemagicshop.com/product guides." Ooh, okay, that's really cute. So basically, I'll scan this in and I'll get it in. I mean, like, I'll basically find out all the stuff that I need for it. It comes with 3 crystals. No, 4. I'm lying. Oh, I'm assuming this is quartz, like a really pretty quartz, which is really great. I'll like add what they mean and what their significance is in order to like, was there like for like refresher crystals, you have to charge them by moonlight for like the whole day, or you could bury them in your yard, or you could put like a ring of salt around them because you basically want to attract positive energy. And then you have this crystal. And you have this one, and this is my favorite. I think this is probably a larger quartz, I'm assuming. So basically, yeah, I'm really excited. It's just basically a little mini moon phase crystal kit. The website was really cute. They have a lot of different kits, a lot of different what's what I'm looking for. Yeah, basically different crystals for different things that you're trying to achieve. The website is really easy to navigate. I had no issues redeeming my Groupon. Shipping was pretty fast, and they keep you notified along the way. So yeah, I would definitely recommend My Little Magic Shop for crystals, and they're very affordable. Like, I didn't see any crystals that were like exuberance, because you know certain crystals, depending on the size or where they got it, can like run you. They could run up there. So if you're looking for affordable crystals, I would definitely recommend My Little Magic Shop. Okay, I'm going to drop their information down below in the description box, and we can also put it on the screen as well. Okay, so thank you for watching this review. Appreciate it. Bye lovies, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay.